Beehiiv is an email marketing platform designed to help creators and businesses grow their email lists, engage with subscribers, and monetize their content. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Sign up and create an account. Visit the Beehiiv website and sign up for a free account. After registration, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Set up your newsletter. Once logged in, click Create New Newsletter. You will need to choose a name for your newsletter, customize its settings, and connect the domain or use Beehiiv's default domain. Build your audience. Add a sign-up form to your website or landing pages to capture new subscribers. Beehiiv provides customizable sign-up forms and integrates easily with other tools for seamless subscriber management. Design emails. Beehiiv offers an intuitive email editor with drag-and-drop functionality. Choose from pre-designed templates or build an email from scratch by adding elements like text, images, and links. Send and automate. Once your email is ready, you can send it immediately or schedule it for later. Beehiiv also supports email automation for triggering emails based on user actions or time-based workflows. Analyze performance. After sending, review detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement to improve your future campaigns.